Good evening, guys. Today is October 30th, Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. And honestly, sorry that it took me so long to upload this video. I know usually I do my trade caps, like trade recaps, right after I finish trading, but today I had a lot to do. So I'm here now and I'm uploading it now. If you guys want to study what I did, um, here's the video for it. Also, I know I wasn't really explaining much in the live stream. I don't think I was actually explaining at all, but because sometimes the circumstances just don't allow me to. All right. Anyways, let's get into it. So, I'm going to start off on the 1 minute because that's usually where I start checking out like these trades or like what my bias is going to be. I know like some people are going to kind of be like weirded out by that, but yeah, that's kind of what I do. Anyways, I saw before 9:30. Um, let me delete this. Yeah, before 9:30, saw these relative equal highs right over here. Yeah, outline this right here. And I saw that price after 9:30 was dropping us and giving us a deep discount buy. Here's the first value gap after 9:30. Okay. So after 9:30, we dropped down and we dropped down over 100 handles or something. Yeah, I think over 100 handles. And right about when we're dropping down like this, like I'm telling you guys, or I don't know if I said anything in the live stream, but I was looking for long. So I was looking for price to kind of reject a certain level by showing like the body's not filling it and then creating a fair value gap to go higher. So what I mean by that is look at this right here. Here. Let me highlight it right here. I'll do this gray. Actually, no, I won't do gray. I'll do yellow. All right. So if you guys see that there is a weekly for value gap right here. Actually, I'll point it out on the weekly. Let me go to the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, we have this fair value gap. You see this right here? The low of this candle and the high of this one creates this fair value gap. So the fair value gap high on the weekly was tapped into right there. And the bodies respected it. See, they didn't, not one body closed below it. And then we create a fair value gap. Now that for me, this right here is that indication that we're going to start moving higher. And so I wanted to get the lowest entry possible. So I put my entry right here, plus one tick. So it's like this. This is what my entry was looking like. And you see price goes down, doesn't hit it, and it goes up one more time, creates this fair value gap. So I put another entry right here, or right here, plus one tick, and price hits it, expands higher. These are the type of trades that I like to take that really just give you barely any drawdown. And I was able to formulate this entire trade setup by having the relative equal highs up here, coming down, hitting an objective on the weekly time frame, or not an objective, but just a PD array on the weekly time frame, respecting it, showing displacement higher, and retapping into a fair value gap. Now let's see where my first partial was. So I entered here, put my stop right there, and I think I had my first partial. Was it? Yeah, I think it was here. Yeah, look, 3.15 risk to reward ratio. Then I had my second partial, I think here, 4.9, and then I think my last one was at this purple line right here, but obviously that never got hit. So yeah, that was the trade recap for today. If you wanted to see how I was moving my stop loss, then I highly recommend watching the stream. You could have, if you wanted to, you could have entered off the inversion of the first fair value gap after 9:30. Could have entered off the change in state delivery right here. Look. Change in state delivery. Or this propulsion block. Honestly, it was just beautiful price action today. Beautiful, beautiful price action. And this is kind of similar to the market that was given on Monday, last Monday, like last week's Monday, not this week's Monday, last week's Monday. And it was just so perfect that I made a market review on it. Like I didn't take a trade that day because I think I was getting ready for school and I kind of like didn't wait long enough. Anyways, so I had to go, but I had to make a market review on it because how good the trade setup was. And this one was beautiful too. So I think I made like 400 today on the paper trading account. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And those are the best type of trades that I would like to see pan out, or I like to see form in price. And I just would like to like imagine what my profits would have looked like. Say I'd entered right here off this first fair value gap, taking my first partial here, then my second partial here. Insane profits. But I'm satisfied with today. Not only satisfied with the profit, but just seeing my model work out. And I think sometime soon I will be dropping a video on how to use my model. But I think I've made it pretty clear in like these videos. I use the same model every day, every single AM session. So anyways, yep, this is the trade recap. If you guys enjoyed it and learned something, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And have a great day, y'all.